Hi guys, welcome to How To Wednesday. Today's episode will explore the parts of a tripod and the step-by-step process of setting it up. So whether you are a beginner or need a refresher, this guide is for you. A tripod is a three-legged device used to support and stabilize various equipment, typically a camera. The primary purpose of a tripod is to provide stability and reduce camera shake or movement during photography or videography. Tripods come in various sizes, designs, and materials to accommodate different needs and preferences. Common materials used in tripod construction include aluminum, carbon fiber, or a combination of both. So, let's get to the parts of a tripod. A tripod has mainly three parts. We have the tripod head, we have the center column, and we have the tripod legs. The center column connects the tripod legs to the tripod head. We start off with the tripod head, which is a component that holds your camera and facilitates smooth movement and positioning. There are different types of tripod heads such as ball heads, pan tilt heads, and fluid heads, each offering unique advantages. So on this tripod head, we have some physical features that I'd like to go through with you guys. On this side, we have the handle, which allows you to control your tripod head. At the top, we have the shoe, which is used to mount your camera onto the tripod. On this other side, we have this knob, which is for panning. It allows for panning of the tripod. And this other knob is for tilting up and down. We have this knob here and this safety switch, which go hand in hand. They are used for releasing the shoe from the tripod. Yeah, if I can just show you how to go about it. Just like that. And the shoe is out. I almost forgot, guys. Right here we have the bubble level. The bubble level helps you know if your tripod is correctly balanced. And to put the bubble level in position, you use this knob over here. This one. Right now I've released it, so you can see the head is moving. It can rotate. So that's how you set your bubble level to ensure your tripod is correctly balanced. Moving on to the tripod legs, we have three extendable sections which provide stability and height adjustments. If I can show you the sections of the tripod legs, we have the lower section, which is this part. Secure it with this knob so that it doesn't move. We have this other section, which is the middle section of the tripod leg. Secure it again. And we have this upper section of the tripod leg. And that applies for the remaining two tripod legs. And at the center of the legs, we have the spreader. Step 1 of setting up your tripod is to extend the legs, starting by unlocking the leg sections and extending them to your desired height. Make sure to spread the legs wide apart for stability. Just like that. Step 2 is to secure the legs once you've set the desired height, to make sure you've locked them into place securely so that the tripod remains stable during use. The next step, which is step 3, is to attach the camera to the tripod head. And we're going to do that, but first we release the shoe from the tripod. So let's remove the shoe from the tripod. It's right here. I'm just going to mount it onto our camera. If you can pass me the camera. So this is our camera for today. Make sure you position it in place. Just going to use this screwdriver to tightly secure it. As you can see, the shoe is mounted correctly on the camera. So we are going to slide it in the tripod and lock using the tripod release knob. Step 4 is to adjust and level the tripod head with your camera attached to achieve the desired framing and composition. Also, ensure that the tripod head is leveled by using the built-in bubble level. Just like I told you earlier, to adjust the bubble level, you have to rotate this knob to release the tripod head and set it in place. And there you have it, guys. Your tripod is now set up and ready to capture stunning shots. I hope you found this tutorial on tripods parts and setup helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more related contents.